Hey shoe enthusiasts! Welcome back to another exciting episode where we dive into the world of shoe care. Do you have dirty kicks that need a quick refresh? Maybe they've been through a muddy adventure or just everyday wear and tear? Today, I'm showing you an amazing shoe cleaning hack with Oxiclean powder. This method is super effective and incredibly easy. In just 5 minutes, your shoes will look brand new. Yes, you heard that right. Just 5 minutes to transform your dirty shoes into sparkling clean ones. Let's jump right in. Get ready to be amazed by how simple and quick this process is. First things first, grab your essentials. You'll need Oxiclean powder, warm water, a soft brush, an old toothbrush, and a microfiber cloth. These items are key to achieving that perfect clean. And remember, wear gloves to protect your hands. Safety first. You don't want any harsh chemicals irritating your skin. Step 1. Mix a scoop of Oxiclean powder with warm water in a small bowl. Make sure the water is warm, not hot, to help the powder dissolve better. Stir it up until it's fully dissolved. You want a nice, even mixture to ensure the best cleaning results. You'll get a nice soapy solution ready to tackle those stains. This solution is powerful and will break down dirt and grime effectively. This stuff is magic, trust me. You'll be amazed at how well it works. Next, remove the laces from your shoes. This allows you to clean every nook and cranny without any obstructions. Dunk them in the Oxiclean mixture and give them a good swirl. This will help loosen any dirt trapped in the fibers. Let them soak while we handle the shoes. This soaking time will ensure the laces get thoroughly cleaned. This is where the magic happens. You'll see the transformation right before your eyes. Step 2, take your soft brush and dip it into the Oxiclean solution. Make sure the brush is well saturated. Start scrubbing the surface of your shoes in gentle circular motions. This technique helps lift dirt without damaging the material. Focus on those stubborn spots. These areas might need a bit more elbow grease. You'll see the dirt lifting away like magic. It's incredibly satisfying to watch. It's so satisfying. You'll feel like you're giving your shoes a new lease on life. For those tricky areas, use the old toothbrush. It's perfect for getting into creases and around the soles. These areas often collect the most dirt. Give it a good scrub and watch the grime disappear. The toothbrush is great for precision cleaning. Seriously, it's like a mini miracle. You'll be amazed at the results. Step 3. Wipe down the shoes with a damp microfiber cloth to remove any remaining residue. Be thorough, but gentle. This step ensures no cleaning solution is left behind. You don't want to undo all that hard work. Make sure every part of the shoe is clean and residue-free. Now grab those laces we soaked earlier. They should be nice and clean by now. Rinse them under running water and squeeze out the excess moisture. This will remove any remaining cleaning solution. Lay them flat to air dry or use a hairdryer if you're in a hurry. Make sure they're completely dry before relacing. Finally, let your shoes air dry. This step is crucial to avoid any damage from heat. Avoid direct sunlight or heat sources. These can cause the material to warp or discolor. Once they're dry, relace them up and boom! Your shoes are ready to go. Just look at that transformation. It's like you have a brand new pair of shoes. Your shoes will look fresh, clean, and ready to hit the streets. You'll be proud to show them off. And there you have it. A quick and easy shoe cleaning hack with Oxiclean powder. This method is a game changer for anyone looking to keep their shoes in top condition. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more awesome tips and tricks. Your support means the world to us. Drop a comment and let me know your go-to cleaning hacks. I love hearing from you and learning new tips. Thanks for watching. Your engagement keeps us motivated to bring you the best content. Keep those kicks fresh and stylish. Peace out. Until next time, happy cleaning. Keep those kicks fresh and stylish. Peace out.